Hello guys, welcome to Code Bro, and in today's video we're talking about using basic arithmetic with variable types, and I explained this in our previous video, so we'll just go straight ahead. Come in. Okay. So when it comes to basic arithmetic, you can use it with, more than one variables. Okay, and that's basically how I use it. So what I'm saying is this: let's say he wants to add two numbers now. We'll simply just, and you know the number, so we have to use the int. So we just say num1, okay, equals to 0, int num2 equals to 3. Then say int num3 equals to num1 plus num2. So that's basically what we're talking about when we're talking about basic arithmetic with variables. So let's go ahead and print that. 3% I, comma, num3 and on our output here, you printed the 3. Okay, so it does the math for us here, basically at this line. Then the print f just prints the the outputs here. So we can change it and we can say, let's say num1 equals to 100, 1000, and 2 equals to, and when you build around, it will give us the sum. So it gives us the sum. So we can also say num1000 equals to this. We can say num1 minus sorry, I don't know, the minus key seems to be malfunctioning on this keyboard, so just copy and paste it from here. V. If we build and run this, it gave us our outputs subtracted. Then if you can also divide, build and run this. Okay, it gave us our outputs. If you can also multiply, if you build and run this, it will give us our outputs. And this can apply to a lot of things. Okay, we can also use it as floats. So you can say floats f1 equals to 3.3, 3.4, floats f2 equals 5.5, floats f3 equals 6.7. And I explain what the floats mean, so you can go ahead and watch our previous videos. Okay, and you can say float 4 or floats f4 equals to f1 plus f2 plus f3, and if you sum that, just put 4 or just cancel this whole thing so you can print f percent f f4 here, then semicolon, build and run. Yeah, and it gave us the total output of everything. Okay, so you can also do things like so let's say that, if we have a lot of variables to work with, we cannot just be starting them from the sentence like this. It will be too time consuming and it will be non efficient. So what we can do is to simply um, remove this. You can simply remove this, even this. Just simply say comma F2, comma F3, semicolon. Then here we can say F1 equals to 3.3, 3.4, F2 or F3 equals to 5.5. It really doesn't matter. F2 equals to 5.3. Okay. If we build this and run, it should also run. So it went. Okay. So this can also apply to anything like integers, short, long, char, string, tools like that. And also one thing you should notice is that we can actually assign this to scanf function, so we can impute these three values from our user and we'll submit actually. So we can just say scanf ampersand f1, sorry, supposed to be f for float, then and f1. So just copy and paste for efficiency. Although I normally just copy and paste in code, but we know how to do this already. So there's really no need of really starting from the top. Okay. So let me explain this code. We're initiating our f1, f2, f3 variables. Then instead of us giving it values, we're feeding the values from the console here. Then we're stacking everything together with this f4 here. For efficiency's sake, we can actually remove this float and just put f4 here. So f4 equals to f1 plus f2 plus f3. And we're now printing f4 at this bottom. So build and run. So just put our values 2, 3, first line, second line, and I summed everything. Okay. Yeah, so that's that about when it, that's all this is about when it comes to basic mathematical arithmetic. After this video, we'll also do the more advanced concept. So look at the less than, greater than, equals to, and things like that. But right now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you love this channel. And don't also forget to share with your users, with your friends and family, so they can begin to come on board and learn this free gift. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next tutorial.